Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com. I want to come back to Ulta now. By the way, I will get rid of this because we did. Want to come back to Ulta because yesterday, if you recall, I said it looks to me like Ulta is going to start breaking out if it opens up above 250. You definitely want to be getting into this stock, and it's starting to trade up above the top of this trading range on August 30th after the stock gap down. So it's starting to break through the bottom of this big gap. And then sure enough, boom, it's up today. And at one point it was up well over 15 bucks. So this turned out to be a really good trade. And here's the thing. How high is this going to go? We don't know how high this stock is going to go, and so I'm decidedly not going to choose. I'm not going to tell you. But this is, if we really look at here, this is really the top of the gap. Like, this is the box that this thing can ultimately fill. What I would look for, frankly, is about halfway. If you're long this stock, I'd look for about 280 bucks. If Ulta comes up and fills half of this gap, that's when I would actually look. I would either be selling into it, maybe take half of your position off the table, or at least be raising my stop. So I think it's probably unrealistic to expect the stock to completely run back up to the top of the gap, but I don't think it's unrealistic to look for, say, half. So anyway, that's what I would be looking for. Also, look, if you're not a member, you need to become a member. Trial members, fine, before this weekend, because I'm teaching technical analysis for non-technicians live on Saturday. It's not just going to be a video. I'm going to be teaching it live, and then I'll take questions. And I'm telling you, that's going to be a really good course because I'm revamping it. I'm in the process of doing it now. I'll probably be spending about all day on Thursday doing just that. So anyway, I want you to be there. I promise you it's going to be time well spent. Okay? I'll just leave it there.